Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today we are going to present our topics about the use of toxic chemicals in cosmetic products. Do you ever use cosmetics before? If so, are they safe? Cosmetics are categorized as a beauty and health product that used for body and face care to enhance a person's appearance. Usually, makeup are categorized as a cosmetic product, but not all cosmetics are makeup. Cosmetic is often used to describe the wide varieties of beauty products such as facial cleanser and eye creams to body moisturizer and shampoo. Generic cosmetics can include a wide variety of items including synthetic as well as natural body care items. Makeup such as concealer, lipstick, blush and foundation is merely a subcategory of cosmetic. Many different cosmetics like cleanser, moisturizer and lotion are used by both genders, but makeup is usually thought as used by women on their face. But nowadays, we always heard of the use of toxic chemicals in cosmetic products. So many reports and news on cosmetics which contain harmful chemicals that can cause health problems to consumers have been sale on the market. This problem occurs because of the irresponsible cosmetic manufacturer which only focus on the profits without thinking about the impact on the customer. From an article that's published by SinaPlus.Sinaharian on 15 July 2020, Minister of Health confirms 9 cosmetic products contain banned and dangerous substances. In the article, Ministry of Health Malaysia urged the public to refrain from buying and using 9 cosmetic products detected to contain scheduled poisons including mercury and hydroquinone. So why we choose this topic? We choose this topic for our assignment at Third Issue in Bioindustry because we want to gain awareness on the safety of cosmetic products that contain toxic chemicals, as those ingredients can harm the consumers, and to ensure that all the cosmetic production company will follow the guidelines stated by Ministry of Health Malaysia in producing their product.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mariam Soleha binti Wan Azmi. I want to talk about the Malaysia cosmetic product contain mercury and poisonous substance. In 2020, there are 3 announcements from the Health Ministry that cosmetic product contain mercury and poisonous substances. Firstly, on 9 June 2020, sources from Malay Mail, there are 3 cosmetic products found to contain mercury, says Dr. Nur Hisham. There are Glow Skin White Brightening Cream, Glow Skin White Sun Care, Arzec Beauty Cream 2. These 3 products contain scheduled poison, namely mercury, which can be harmful to health. On 25 April 2020, from Malay Mail, there are 3 cosmetic products found to contain mercury, other poisonous substances. There are Seafood Kunyit Day Cream, Seafood Kunyit Night Cream, and JJ Skincare Glow White Night Cream. And the latest news on 15 July 2020, the sources from Malaysia Today, the Health Ministry warns of 9 cosmetic products containing poison. There are Dija Cosmetic Lyca Cream, Dija Cosmetic Zulai Cream, Dija Cosmetic Use Cream, Dinar's Luvi Cream Normal and Sensitive, Dinar's Cool Lifting Serum Night, Sparkle Beauty Cream, Sparkle Sunday Cream, Kizikar Age Locking Recharging Spot AM Cream, and MS Skin's Night Cream. Dr. Nur Hisham stressed that the sale and distribution of these cosmetic products violate the Control of Drugs and Cosmetic Regulation 1984, and those found guilty will face stiff penalties. He also advised members of the public who have been using these products to immediately stop and seek advice from health professionals if they experience any discomfort or adverse effect. And consumers are encouraged to check the notification status of a cosmetic product at the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency (NPRA) official website www.npra.gov.my or through the NPRA product status application that can be downloaded at Google Play Store. Next, we hear from my friend.
manufacturing practice, or known as GMP, is important as it is a system for ensuring the products are consistently produced and controlled under the quality standard. In order to maintain the good ethical in cosmetic industry, the manufacturers must follow the guidelines that compliance with the requirement of the cosmetic GMP. As we can see, quality control is part of the GMP and should be established to ensure that the products contain the correct materials of specific quality and quantity and are manufactured under proper conditions according to standard operating procedure. There are several ingredients that should be avoided in cosmetic products: paraben, mercury, sodium lauryl sulfate, lead, formaldehyde, toluene, artificial fragrance, and many more. There are several procedures that should be followed in cosmetic industry. First, premise for manufacturing should be suitably located, designed, constructed, and maintained. Second, the laboratories should preferably be physically separated from the production areas. Next, the equipment should be easily cleaned to avoid contamination. Fourth, all manufacturing procedures should be carried out according to written procedures. And lastly, all weighing and measurement carried out should be recorded and where applicable counter-checked. The ISO standard used for cosmetic production is the ISO 22716. This standard certification complements the existing GMP set by the NPRA and Asian Cosmetic Directive. It provides guidelines for the production, control, storage, and shipment of cosmetic products. In addition, this standard produces quality products that are organized and accepted internationally and to ensure the safety of products for consumer use.
In general, all cosmetic products in Malaysia should be notified to the National Pharmaceutical Regulatory Agency, or also known as NPRA, before they be manufactured, distributed, and imported in Malaysia. Product notification is a process that involves those responsible cosmetic companies to make a declaration about their products' information to the NPRA before being marketed. The roles and function of NPRA in Ministry of Health in Malaysia. First and foremost is to implement the drug registration or cosmetic notification scheme through evaluation of technical data, laboratory analysis, research, and information received from international agencies. Next is to carry out analytical, pharmaceutical, microbiological, and pharmacological tests on drugs and cosmetics to determine the quality, efficacy, and safety of such product. Other than that, NPRA also helps to encourage and assist local pharmaceutical manufacturers to upgrade manufacturing standards to levels equivalent to the requirements in good manufacturing practice as suggested by WHO. However, this does not mean all the notified products are being approved by Ministry of Health Malaysia. The product's notification can be cancelled if there is any hazardous chemical found in any cosmetics product. Consumer can always check the notification status of cosmetics product and other information through NPRA website or through NPRA product status apps.
So now I'm going to talk about the side effect of using such unsafe cosmetic product. A common poison that will be found in unsafe cosmetic product are mercury, hydroquinone, tretinoin, and betamethasone 17 valerate. So mercury usually used as a whitening agent. It can act as an anti-age treatment, which cures blemishes, wrinkle. It may damage kidney, nervous system, the children's health, and brain. It may also cause skin rashes and irritation, and inhalation will cause the same effect as applying the cosmetic product. For hydroquinoa, it is a pharmaceutical product which is subject under Drug Control Authority. It is usually used for skin lightening, cure blemishes, and uneven skin tone. It may cause skin redness, discomfort, skin discoloration, and hypersensitivity. It will lead to depigmentation of the skin, which in the end will cause skin cancer. Propranolone is similar to hydroquinone, which is a pharmaceutical product which is subject under Drug Control Authority. Using a cosmetic product that contains tretinoin will cause skin irritation, swelling, redness, and blistering. Last but not least is betamethasone 17-valerate. It usually causes fatal damage, which means that it will cause death. It will damage to fertility and reproductive organs, and it also will damage to other organs such as liver and kidney.
In conclusion, the cosmetic product may present health risks and recurrent adverse effects are attributed to the toxic substances commonly found in their formulations. Increased use of compound with preservative action, surfactant, fragrance, and stain in the formulation of cosmetic product potentiate the quality, property, and shelf life of cosmetic, but on the other hand, many of these substances are toxic to human body, causing health risks ranging from a simple mild hypersensitivity reaction to an anaphylactic process or even lethal intoxications. Cosmetic products in Malaysia are regulated under the Control of Drug and Cosmetic Regulation 1984, which were promulgated under the Sale of Drugs Act 1952. This regulation relates to the control of safety, quality, and claim benefit of cosmetics with the ultimate aim of protecting and promoting public health. Although the various structures of the regulation and quality control of cosmetics around the world are quite complex and comprehensive, they should be more rigorous in the inclusion of new substances with toxic potential in the formulation of cosmetics to avoid damage to human health. It is necessary to apply a unified cosmetovigilance around the world to encourage improvement in manufacture, marketing, and use of cosmetic products by the population.
This is all about the system in crisis. Everybody knows about this issue. We are trashing the planet. We are trashing each other. A whole broken system that's ignoring the simple rule, toxic in and toxic out. As long as have demand, those products can sustain. Hi, I'm Aiman Faiz. For my part, I will tell you about some recommendations needed for the consumer. First, read and identify product labels. Users are advised to read the information on the label or each package before purchasing or using the product. Second, always be aware of cosmetic products advertising. Do not be easily deceived by the advertising of cosmetic products that are able to change their appearance in a short time. Third, make sure cosmetic products are verified. Users are advised to check the status of the cosmetic product they want to buy on the website NPRA. Fourth, buy cosmetic products at a reliable premise. Avoid buying cosmetic products from sellers of doubted premise. Be careful buying products online. Lastly, refer to a doctor or pharmacist. Seek advice from a qualified doctor or pharmacist to identify the real problem and the appropriate type of cosmetic product.